Okay, we're outside of Eagle River, Alaska, outside my house here. Just going to show some of the damage from the earthquake that happened last Friday. We've done pretty extensive cleanup so far, but quite a bit to do. Waiting on a structural inspection here. Should be here in like 10-15 minutes, but thought I'd share some of the damage. As you walk on in here in the front, there's a crack that leads around the wall there. Drywall guy says this is the worst he's ever seen in his 40 years of doing drywall through the entire house that we're seeing. And one continues on here along the corner. It's up to the ceiling, over there to the wall, then down and breaks at the corners of the windows, and then all the way down. I just noticed some more up here on the ceiling. They're all falling. Debris is just falling all over the place. Just can't even keep it picked up. Here at the front door too, all the way down to the wall. Coming around to the stairs, and that's splitting bigger and bigger every day since as it settles in aftershocks. Both sides there, and if you look back up on the back wall there, it's split on both sides, and that runs all the way up to the window over there in the corner. But a closer look at this is it's falling apart. It's getting bigger and bigger every day. This is starting to split more here too, all the way here with the upstairs throughout. So it's almost every single wall in this place had some damage. I had a couple tiles break on the backsplashes there, and the countertop separated from the wall as well. Let me show you downstairs. So this is where a lot of the major damage happened. Big cracks there on the stairway coming down. Hope you can hear over the fans. We've got a lot of flooding here. We had almost 2 hours of a burst pipe flowing through here before I was able to get it shut off. While I can't get a plumber out here for a couple more days, I was able to fix it using a washing machine hose and some shark bites. That's my MacGyver special there. This room is probably going to be gutted. I almost think that's mold starting here. They should be back here today to let me know what the status is of that. That pipe leaked into both bedrooms that are down here. Still haven't got into this room here to clean up any of this stuff yet. It just went everywhere. We came all the way out to here to the living room as well. My stove moved a good foot to the right, disconnected from the vent up there too. It's a good thing it was cool that morning, no fire, so nobody died with that. So quite a bit of damage. Most of these walls are in repair, or will need repair, so a lot of work in store for us.